Are you listening, me guys? I'm unable to listen you. Please, anyone
Yes,
respond.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Today, uh, I'll be taking your online viva voce 2077 first online viva voce of optional mathematics. The questions will not be that difficult for you. Uh, I'll ask very basic questions. If you have any problem, I'll guide you also. So don't worry. And even I'll give some marks after asking the questions. So you don't need to worry how much marks you will get, but this will be your evaluation, how much you have understood and how much you have got from the online exam, from the online classes. Okay, how much you have perceived or achieved, or how much you can, how much you have grasped the knowledge that we have shared through the online classes. I think my screen is displayed in your device now. Let me begin the online test. That is the online Viva Voce 2077. I'll be very random. I'll I'll not go on the alphabetical order also, because if I say alphabetical order, most of the students they will remain absent during their turn. So I'll be random, and also. Just a minute. Request you to turn on your video while answering the question. I hope you are able to see me now. My video is displayed in your device, I think. So while answering the question, as in other subject, I request you to turn on the video while answering. Okay. So I'll go randomly. I have a list of students of class 10 here, and also I will consider uh, the online attendance of the students to ask the questions. So let me begin with, okay, let me see the list of the students. Okay, is anyone willing to give the test in the very first time? Okay, are you willing to give the test for the very first time in the first position? Okay, let me begin with Aaron Shrestha. Aaron, are you ready? Please be ready with pen, copy, and if needed, calculator also. And please turn on your video. Aaron Shrestha. Okay, very good, Aaron. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me pin your video also. Yeah. So let me begin from the set. Random sets. Okay, set number 14. Set number 13. Can you see this screen, Aaron?
Yes, sir.
13 for you. Okay, and the question goes like this. Okay, see this question. If fx equals to 2x and gx is equals to x plus 4, then what is the value of g composite fx? Solve it in your copy and tell me the answer.
2x plus 4.
Have you solved it? Please solve it and just tell me the answer.
So 2x plus 4.
Just a minute, okay? Let me. Can you repeat your answer?
2x plus 4.
X plus 4. Let me see.
2x.
Okay, g composite fx. This is equals to g fx is 2x. So it will be 2x plus 4. Okay, very good answer. So let me go to the next question. In the synthetic division process shown in the figure alongside, what is the value of quotient? Okay, the figure is like this. Okay, it may be x cube, the variable may be x cube, x square, x, and constant. Just tell me what is the quotient. Tell me what is the quotient. Okay, speak. Tell me the percent.
2x square minus 6x minus 4.
2x square minus 6x plus 4. Minus 4 or plus 4?
Minus 4.
Minus 4. Okay, just a minute. Let me note your name also. RN Srestha. Okay, very good. So next question. If a is equals to 2, 3, 1 minus 2, then what is the determinant of a square? Just tell me the determinant of a, not a square.
Determinant of A. Yes, minus 7.
Have you calculated it?
Minus 7. Sir.
Minus 3 it equals to minus 7. Very good, Aaron. So the next one, what is the slope of the straight line parallel to the line 15x minus 3y is equals to 7? Slope of the line parallel to this line.
What is the slope of the line?
Yeah.
Minus, sir, 5.
5. Okay, minus 15 by minus 3. This is equals to 5. Very good. So the next one, formula to calculate mean deviation from median.
Mean deviation from median.
Yeah. Can you recall it?
Sir, wait, sir. D. Modulus D by MD.
Repeat it again, please. I'm unable to listen to you. Continuous data ko लागि के भन्दै summation
Summation modulus mean minus median divided by median.
Unlimited है कि summation f mid value minus median divided by n है त. Okay, thank you, Aaron. You can turn off your video now. Okay, all others please note these questions and try to solve it yourself, okay, because the questions may be repeated and these questions might be asked in your online examination also. The subjective questions will be based on these questions. Okay, please note these questions also and try to solve it yourself also without speaking. Okay, thank you, Aaron. You can turn off your video. I think there is some network lagging in your network. So answered, Aaron has answered all the questions. Only one formula he could not answer. Okay, so let me ask the question to now. Now it's the turn of. Let me be very selective today. Okay, let me ask the question to. Nirjala Panta. Nirjala, are you there? Nirjala,
yes, sir.
Okay, turn on, if possible, please turn on your video and speak with me. Okay, respond me.
Okay, sir.
Okay, just turn on your video. Okay, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let me ask you from the set. Let me be very random here. Okay, let me ask from set number 20. Okay, so the very first question is, if gx is equals to x plus 5 and hx equals to 2x, then find the value of g composite hx.
Sir, wait, okay, I will do it in copy.
First.
If gx is equal to x plus 5 and hx is equal to 2x, then find the value of g composite hx. So it will be 2x plus 5.
2x plus 5. Very good. Okay, see the next question. By using the remainder theorem, find the remainder when 4x cubed plus 6x squared minus 5x plus 2 is divided by x minus 2. By using
Remainder
the
theorem.
find the remainder.
Remainder is equal to Fe. F2 is equal to 4 plus 6 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 2.
Okay, Nirjala, I got it. You can solve it. So the next question: if A is equals to A, B, C, D, then what is the determinant of matrix A?
Sorry, AD minus BC.
Very good.
AD.
The next one, section formula for external division. Though this is not exactly the topic of class 10. This is trying to ask you the basic question. The section formula for external division.
Section formula M1x2 plus M2x1 by M1 plus M2, comma M1y2 plus M2y1 by M1 plus M2.
Are you sure? Sure. The question is for external division.
Sorry, it's M1y2 minus M2y1 by M1 minus M2 and M1x2 minus.
Okay, I got it. Please read the question carefully. Okay, always. Okay, see the
Okay,
question.
sir.
Last question. For continuous data, Q2 is equals to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into I. What does L, N, CF, F, and I represent? Tell me what does L represent? N, CF, F, and I represent?
L represent the lower limit of the median class.
Yeah,
Lower
exactly.
limit of the N represent the sum of frequencies.
Very good. CF.
CF represent the cumulative frequency of pre-median class.
Yeah, very good. F.
F represents the frequency of the median class.
And I
And
represent.
I represent class interval.
Okay, very good, Nirjala. So,
Okay, sir.
thank you, Nirjala. You can turn off your video. Now let me give you the remarks. Nirjala upon the. Okay, just a minute. Okay, now let me ask the questions too. Now today I'll be very selective. Tomorrow I'll ask the question on some merit basis or alphabetical order. I'll be very random tomorrow. So now let me ask the question to. Okay, Abita, are you ready? Let me ask the question to Abita Adhikari. Abita.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can turn on your video. Let me pin your video now. Abita Adhikari. Abita.
Am I visible?
Let me see. Yeah, you are visible now. Okay, Abita, are you ready? Let me ask the question to you. Let me ask the question from set number. Let me be random. Okay, let me ask from set number 11. Okay, 11 for Abita Adhikari. Let me put the record also. Set 11. 11. Okay, the very first question is, if fx is equals to 1 by x, then the inverse of f is equals to, just find the inverse of f. Fx is equals to 1 by x, then the inverse of f is equals to. It's a very easy question. You don't need to worry. Just follow the basic steps to find the inverse.
Sir, 1 by y.
1 by x होला है.
1 by x. Okay.
ओके यहाँ हेर त नबिर्स्यो होला नानी जस्तो एफएक्सलाई सुरुमा तिमीले वाइ सपोज गर्नु पर्यो वाइ इज इक्वल्स टु 1/x हुन्छ हैन त्यसपछि इन्टरचेन्जिङ अलिकति ट्रिकी क्वेसन हो तिमी त्यसमा जुत्यो के अब के गर्ने इन्टरचेन्जिङ द रोल अफ एक्स एन्ड वाइ भन्ने भयो हैन त्यसपछि के हुन्छ एक्स इज इक्वल्स टु 1/y हुन्छ अनि थर्ड स्टेपमा के गर्थ्यो वाइ लाइकले पार्ने वाइ इज इक्वल्स टु 1/x हुन्छ त्यो वाइ भनेकै एफ ओके ल ओके
I thought it would be the last step.
Okay, the next question. If x plus 2 is a factor of fx, then what is the value of f minus 2?
Factor of fx.
Yeah,
X.
x plus 2 is a factor of fx. Plus 2 is
Sir,
fx.
0.
Very good. The next one. A inverse is equals to 1 minus 4 minus 2, 3. What is the value of A? Just tell me how will you find the value of A? अब त A inverse दिएको छ अब A चाहिँ कसरी निकाल्ने
Sir, into A equals to identity matrix.
You can find
A
in that way also. I am convinced that you can find in that way also. A times A inverse equals to I गरेर निकाल्छु भन्यो हैन that's also correct but the proper way of doing this is by using the formula है जस्तो A is equals to पहिला के छ A inverse को formula के छ 1 divided by determinant of A times adjoint of A we have this formula isn't it but to find A we have to reverse this formula by 1 by determinant of A inverse times adjoint of A inverse यसरी गर्ने है त ठीक छ you can solve it in this way also A लाई चाहिँ ABCD सपोज गरेर त्यसरी गर्दैन but it will be a bit lengthy okay the next one if the slope of two straight lines are equal then what is the relation between two straight lines दुईटा लाइनको स्लोप इक्वल छ भने what is the relation between the two straight lines
Sir, they are parallel.
they are parallel very good okay the next one formula to calculate mean deviation from mean
Mean deviation from mean summation f m minus
m minus
x bar by n.
okay very good Abhita thank you you got very good answers now you can turn off your video okay now let me ask the question to Anushka RL. Anushka, are you there? Just please mute your microphone. Just note the question. Sometimes you may better answer the question than your friend. Just note the question and just try to solve it yourself. Anushka RL, Anushka, are you there? Anushka RL. I think I see is not here. Okay, now let me ask the question to Gaurav Kharel. Gaurav, please turn on the video and make sure that you are ready to answer the questions. Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Gaurav. How are you, Gaurav? Fine?
Yes, sir, I'm fine.
Okay, so let me ask the question. Okay, just let me put the record of Abhita before that. Abhita Adhikari. Gaurav, be ready with pen, copy, and calculator. Okay, materials that are needed for to answer the questions. Okay, let me ask you the question from the set. Okay, I'll ask you the question from the set. Okay, set 17 for you. Gaurav Kharel. Gaurav, set 17. Okay, Gaurav, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you see my screen? Gaurav? Okay, see the question. If fx is equals to 2x plus 1, then what is the value of f inverse x?
Okay, sir.
Fx is equals to 2x plus 1, then what is the value of f inverse x?
X inverse x is equals to x minus 1 upon 2.
X minus 1 by 2. Let me check it. Okay. Okay, x minus 1 by 2. Very good. Okay, the next question. What should be the degree of divisor in synthetic division method? Degree of divisor in synthetic division method.
1.
Very good. Find the product BA of the matrix B is equals to 1 0 2 3 and A is equals to 1 4 minus 2 3 1 if possible. Duita possible छ भने matrix multiplication. Do you know what is the required condition for matrix multiplication? Though it is the question of class 9, I'm asking you this.
Sir.
Just tell me whether the matrix multiplication BA is possible or not. B ra multiply.
Sir, it is not possible.
Can you explain it? Why?
Sir, it is possible.
Okay. Why? Just tell me the reason.
Because the column of first matrix is equal to the row of row.
Okay.
No, sir, no, it is not possible. It is not equal.
Okay, stick with one answer. Okay, stick with one answer.
Sir, it is not possible. It is.
Okay, you have to check the Cristiano Ronaldo. Okay?
Sir, it is possible. It is possible.
Just wait. Let me make it clear. एकदम क्लियर हुने कुनै पनि म्याथमेटिक्स भनेको कि त यस हुन्छ कि त नो हुन्छ म्याथमेटिक्समा एन्सर है. म्याथमेटिक्समा चाहिँ त्यो इङ्ग्लिस नेपालीको जस्तो अलिकति लिटरेचर टाइपको एन्सर हुँदैन. कहिले यस हुने कहिले नो हुने जसरी पनि इन्टरप्रेट गर्न सकिने त्यस्तो हुँदैन है.
एसै हुन्छ सर.
सियर बी को कलम हेर्ने क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो. बी मा नम्बर अफ कलम कति छ 2. ए मा नम्बर अफ रोज कति छ 2. भनेपछि के भयो यसमा यस भयो पोसिबल. दुईटा इक्वल भएपछि के भयो पोसिबल भयो. बिग क्लियर. Okay. So the next question is centroid formula. Though this is also not the question of class 10, but this will be used. You need to know the answer. Just tell me the centroid formula.
Gx comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3.
Very good. So the next question. If MD from median is 20 and median is equals to 40, find the coefficient of MD from median.
Coefficient of MD from median.
Yeah, MD from median is 20, MD is 40. Find the coefficient of MD from median.
0.5.
Very good. Okay, thank you, Gaurav. You answered excellently. Please don't be confused with the question's answer. Okay, I'll get a clear answer.
Okay, sir. So yes, okay.
Gaurav Aryal. So let me give the marks to Gaurav.
Sir, my name is Gaurav Kharel.
Hey, Gaurav Kharel. Sorry. Okay, Gaurav Kharel. Gaurav को कोई senior ले पढ़ाया थी स्कूल में. तिम्रो दाई कोई पढ़ाया. ईशान खरेल हो तिम्रो दाईको नाम?
हजुर सर. ईशान खरेल.
तिमी त अझ राम्रो पढ्दो रहेछ. Okay, अझै मेहनत गर्ने है त. Now let me ask the question to Raghav Shrestha. Raghav, are you ready? Are you listening me? Are you there? Raghav Shrestha. Okay, Raghav. Please turn on your video and respond me. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Raghav, can you see the screen?
Sir, yes.
Let me ask you the question from the set number. ल तिम्रो चोइस गर ल 1 देखि 25 सम्मको सेटमा एउटा चोइस गर त ल. कुनै भइसक्यो.
Sir, 7.
7. ल lucky number 7 हैन त. Okay, let me put the record also. Raghav Shrestha. Set number 7. Set 7. Okay. यसमा नाम पनि लेख्दिउँ तिम्रो. Raghav. Okay, the very first question is, if the function f is equals to 1, 2, 2, 3, these are in ordered pair form, and g is equals to 2, b, 3, c, then find the value of g composed of 1. This is set 6, sorry, 7 number को चाहिँ 7 भन्दा चाहिँ 6 number आउँदो रहेछ है त. Okay, just tell me what is the value of G composite F1?
G composite F1.
1 को मात्र भन्नु पर्यो, पुरै फंक्शन भन्नु परेन कि composite function. Just G composite F1.
G composite F1. G composite F1. 2, 1, 2, 3. G composite. Sir, 1 हो.
1. तिमीले यसको अलिकति आइडिया भएन जस्तो छ है त, यो गरेर हेर न, यतिकै नभन न. जस्तो G composite F1, how to find it is G F of 1. यसरी गर न हैन. अनि F1 भनेपछि अब 1 कतिमा छ हेर त, 1 F चाहिँ 1 कतिमा गएको छ, 2 मा. भनेपछि F1 को ठाउँमा कति राख्नु पर्यो, G2. G2 भनेपछि 2 केमा गएको छ हेर त, B मा. G मा त भनेपछि B भयो के यसको आन्सर. बुझ्यौ गौरव, राघव? ओके, तिमीले यसलाई पनि गर्न सक्छ. G composite F भन्यो भने हैन, यसरी यो एरो डायग्राम बनाउन गर्न सक्छ. पहिला यहाँ F बनाउने, त्यसपछि G बनाउने, G composite F बनाएछ. सो अब F को फर्स्ट एलिमेन्ट 1, F को 1 फर्स्ट एलिमेन्ट केमा गएको छ, 2 मा गएको छ. अनि G को 2 केमा गएको छ, B मा गएको छ. भनेपछि 1 फाइनली केमा गयो, B मा गयो. यसरी पनि भन्न सक्छ है त. Okay, you can say it in that way also. Okay. So please others please be careful. सबैले चाहिँ राम्रोसँग सुन्ने, यो क्वेशनहरु चाहिँ नोट गर्ने कपीमा. यही क्वेशन रिपिट पनि हुन सक्छ तिम्रो पालीमा है. सो बी भेरी केयरफुल. You will be lucky so that you can answer the questions correctly later. Okay, the next question for you is if a polynomial fx of degree n greater or equals to 1 is divided by a binomial ax minus b, what is the remainder?
Degree is divided by binomial expression. What is the remainder?
fx लाई ax minus b ले डिवाइड गर्दा रिमाइन्डर चाहिँ के हुन्छ भन्ने क्वेशनले.
Remainder बुझेन मैं. तो पुनः में fx of degree.
रिमाइन्डर थ्योरमको स्टेटमेन्ट थाहा छ?
रिमाइन्डर थ्योरमको के स्टेटमेन्ट?
रिमाइन्डर थ्योरमले के भन्छ भन त ल. सर बोल्दै बोल्दैन चाहिँ नभन है. ओके, द रिमाइन्डर थ्योरमको स्टेटमेन्टले के भन्छ, if a polynomial fx of degree n greater or equals to 1 is divided by a binomial x minus a, then the remainder is fa हैन. अब यहाँ ax minus b ले डिवाइड गरे भने रिमाइन्डर चाहिँ f of b by a. त्यो टेबल थियो नि, त्यो टेबल हेरेर त्यसरी कपीमा है, तिमीसँग कपी छ भने अहिले हेर्दा नि हुन्छ है. टेबल बनाइदिएको थिएँ नि मैले हैन. डिभाइजर के हुँदा रिमाइन्डर के हुन्छ भन्दा जस्तो x minus a हुँदा रिमाइन्डर fa, यहाँ रिमाइन्डर अनि यस्तो यतापट्टि डिभाइजर भने डिफरेन्ट त्यो टेबल छ नि, त्यो टेबल हेर्ने ल. ओके राघव, सी दैट टेबल आफ्टर दिस टेस्ट. ओके, नंबर 3, if a1x plus b1y is equals to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equals to c2, then what is the value of d, d1 and d2 where the symbol has the usual notation? अब त d को भ्यालु चाहिँ कसरी निकाल्ने, d is equals to के हुन्छ ल, एउटा मात्र भन ल.
Then what's the value of d?
Yeah.
Sir,
Do you know Cramer's rule?
Cramer's sir त्यो चाहिँ थाहा भएन.
यस्तो हुन्छ नि, यहाँ हेर त, x को कोएफिसिएन्ट यहाँ के छ, a1 हैन, y को कोएफिसिएन्ट b1. The coefficient of x is a1 and the coefficient of y is b1. भनेपछि यहाँ b1 a1 b1 अनि अर्कोमा चाहिँ a2 b2 हो. यो d है. सिमिलरली d1 र d2 पनि निकाल्ने डिफरेन्ट तरिका छ, त्यो एकचोटि रिभाइज गर है त. दिस इज भेरी इम्पोर्टेन्ट. क्रामर्स रुल जान्नु पर्यो नि, सजिलो छ. Okay, next one, if m1 and m2 are slope of two perpendicular lines, then what is the relation between m1 and m2? Do you understand the question?
Sir, m2 minus m1 by
yeah, relation.
Formula.
Perpendicular condition भन्दा भनेको छ.
Perpendicular lines that relation. Sir, is a formula भन्ने?
No, condition of perpendicularity. हेर दुईटा लाइन परपेन्डिकुलर छ हैन, एउटाको स्लोप m1 छ अर्कोको स्लोप m2 छ टेल मी द रिलेसन बिट्विन m1 and m2 भनेको छ के m1 र m2 को रिलेसन के हुन्छ भने
m1 into m2 is equals to
minus 1 good m1 into m2 is equals to -1 okay
yes, sir.
So the next question, formula to calculate interquartile range.
Interquartile range. Interquartile range interquartile range भनेपछि के अरे q हैन 1 by 2 q3 minus q1
Can you repeat it? Can you repeat your answer again, please?
Sir, interquartile range.
It's q3 minus q1. है यहाँ तिमीले रेन्ज भनेर पढाएको थियो नि 9 मा त्यसमा I think you have read it in 9 or 8 8 मा नि पढायो होला सायद लार्जेस्ट माइनस स्मलेस्ट भन्ने हुन्छ रेन्जमा चाहिँ हैन अब यहाँ चाहिँ क्वार्टाइलको रेन्ज हो के यो चाहिँ q3 minus q1 so कति भयो q3 minus q1 it is the range of quartiles नि त त्यही भएर q3 minus upper quartile minus lower quartile. Okay Raghav, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
अलि मेहनत गर्नु पर्यो राघव अलि पुगेन फर्मुला त जान्नु पर्यो नि एटलिस्ट ओके नाउ लेट मी आस्क द क्वेसन टु अनुष्का आर्याल अनुष्का आर यु देयर ल क्वेसनहरु उता अनुष्का छैन जस्तो छ ओके नाउ लेट मी आस्क द क्वेसन टु let me see the list. Okay, Sunam, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm here. Good morning, sir.
Okay. Good morning. Sunam, just turn on a video and respond me, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sunam, do you want to choose the question or do you want me to ask any random set?
Sir, you can.
Okay, let me choose this set for you. I don't know what questions are here. Can you see this screen, Sunam?
Yes, sir.
The set is set number 22. Sunam Parel. Sunam, give me the sorry. Set number 22. Set 22. Okay, the very first question for you is if the function f is equals to 1, 2, 2, 3, g is equals to 2b, 3c, then find the value of g composite of 1. I think the question is repeated for you. Lucky for you,
Yes, sir. The value is b.
the value is b. Okay, very good. Do you know how to calculate?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The second question is if x minus k is a factor of fx equals to x square minus 9, what will be the value of f k?
Sir?
If x minus k is a factor of fx equals to x square minus 9, what will be the value of f k?
Sir, ekachine ma garchu.
Be very careful here. See, the question is very tricky. This is tricky for you. The question is stating that this is a factor of fx.
Factor. Sir, I think it's 0.
Yeah, it must be 0, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Because it's
factor भन्दियो भने चाहिँ नजुकिने है त या k square minus 9 पनि भन्न सकिन्छ. But since the question is saying that it is a factor, it must be 0. Okay, the next question. Under what condition inverse of a matrix is defined? Under what condition inverse of a matrix is defined?
Matrix.
Yeah.
Non-singular matrix. If their determinant is not 0.
Yeah, very good. Very good, Sunam. Okay, the next question. What is the formula to calculate perpendicular distance between the point x1, y1 and general equation of a straight line, straight line, ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, like this. This is a point x1, y1. This point is x1, y1. Just tell me what is the formula to calculate the distance between this point and this line.
Okay, sir. Modulus a x1 plus b y1 plus c by
ax1
Root under
plus
a square plus b square whole modulus.
c upon root over a square plus b square. Okay, very
Yes.
good. Okay, next question for you.
Closing modulus.
Yeah, the difference of upper quartile and lower quartile is 20. What is the value of quartile deviation?
Sir?
The difference of upper quartile and lower quartile is 20. What is the value of quartile deviation? And the difference of upper quartile and lower quartile is given. I think you can understand this. What is the value of QD? Can you tell me the formula of QD, of quartile deviation?
Q3 minus Q1 by n.
Q3 minus Q1 by 2. Then see here, what is given here? The difference of upper quartile and lower quartile is given.
Yes,
Difference-
sir. It's 10.
Yeah, it is 10. Okay, I think the question was a bit easier for you. Okay, thank you, Sunam.
Yes, sir. Bye, sir. Have a good time.
Okay, Sunam, have a good time. Okay, so let me give the marks to Sunam also. Sunam, give me reset 22. Okay, so now let me go to, let me ask the question to, okay, यो जसको अन होल्ड देखाइरहेछ म उसलाई चाहिँ रिमुभ गरिदिन्छु प्लिज रिमुभ रिजोइन इट ओके जसको यो अन होल्ड देखाउँछ नि आई एम गोइङ टु रिमुभ देम ओके सो लेट मी आस्क द क्वेसन नाउ टु प्रज्वल पौडेल प्रज्वल
Yes, sir.
okay please turn on your video and speak and respond me okay
Yes, sir.
okay do you want to select any question
Sir, you may.
you can you want to answer any set okay okay so let me ask from the set number 3 set number 3 let me put the record also Prozul portal set 3 okay the very first question for you is if f such that a to b and g such that b to c be two functions then what will denote the composite function from a to c do you understand question f भन्ने फंक्सन चाहिँ a बाट c मा छ हैन a बाट b मा डिफाइन भइराछ g भन्ने फंक्सन b बाट c मा डिफाइन भइराछ भने a बाट c मा डिफाइन हुने फंक्सनलाई के भनिन्छ भन्छ के
सर a बाट c मा हुनेलाई g composite f
G composite f very good okay this question is for Prozul okay the next second question is if a polynomial fx of degree n greater or equals to 1 is divided by a binomial x minus a what is the remainder
x is equals to a fa
remainder r is equals to
fa remainder r is equals to fa
okay according to Cramer's rule if d1 is equals to 6 d2 is equals to 9 and d is equals to 3 then what is the value of x and y
sir x is equals to 2 and y equals to 3
very confident and very right answer also so the next question is formula to calculate angle between the two lines so the slopes are m1 and m2
formula to calculate so the tan theta wala ho
ल भन त tan theta equals to
sir tan theta is equals to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2
त्यसमा अरु केही पनि छ कि यसो सिधै त्यही मात्रै
सर कस्तो अरु केही भन्नाले
m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2 को अगाडि के छ जस्तो लाग्छ मलाई चाहिँ
प्लस माइनस छ सर
अनि छुटाउनु भएन नि त m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2 okay very good the next question formula to calculate semi interquartile range
sir q3 minus q1 by 2
minus q1 by 2 okay thank you Prozul ल तिमीलाई अलि रिलेटिभली सजिलो भरेको क्वेशन हो Prozul अलि कस्तो गाह्रो गाह्रो आउलाहरु पढाएको थियो होला हैन okay the question will be very basic don't worry okay let me put the marks for Prozul also Okay, now I'll ask the question to is anyone willing to answer? ल भन त आजै कसैले एन्सर दिनु मन छ? आजैले कसैले सबैलाई भाइबा दिनु मन छ कसैलाई भन त त्यसो भने भन है. Otherwise I'll ask randomly. Okay, now let me ask the question to ल म यसो हेर्दै जान्छु कसलाई सोध्दा ठिक हुन्छ. आज चाहिँ म अलि तिमीलाई सजिलो होस् सबैलाई आज यस्तो क्वेसन हुँदो रहेछ भन्ने चाहिँ आइडिया होस् सबैलाई भन्ने तरिकाले सोधिरहेको छु है. सो मलाई सरले चाहिँ सोधेन भनेर चाहिँ तिम्रो चाहिँ रिसाउनु पर्दैन ल. ओके, लेट मी आस्क द क्वेसन टु सृष्टि रोकाया. सृष्टि, प्लिज टर्न अन ए भिडियो. Okay, can you see my screen, Srishti?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you want to choose the set or you can answer any random question? Set choose गर्ने? Any random. ल सृष्टि रोकायालाई चाहिँ म सेट नम्बर 15 छोडौँ है त. नम्बर 15 भनेपछि यो 16 नम्बरमा हुन्छ. Okay, Srishti. See this question. If fx equals to 2x and gx equals to x plus 4, then what is the value of g composite of 2? Fx is equals to 2x and gx is equals to x plus 4, then what is the value of g composite of 2? Can you solve it, Srishti?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's solve it. Don't worry, तिमीलाई कुनै गाह्रो लाग्यो भन या के हुन्छ भन्दा I will guide you. ल जी कम्पोजिट अफ ए स्क्रिनमा हेरेर भन न त ल.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, अघि नप्राप्तिको नेट गएको थियो रे अनि त्यही भएर होल्डमा भएको थियो रे. गाउँमा छ सो.
Okay, do I need to add her? Okay, Prapti, let me add her. Srishti भन त ल कति हुन्छ एन्सर?
8.
8 g of 2 is equals to g of 2. 2 times 2 it is equals to g times 4 is equals to 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. Okay, Srishti, you got the right answer. So the next question is, if dividend is equals to fx, quotient is equals to qx, divisor is equals to dx, and remainder is equals to r, what is the relation? Write the relation. What is their relation?
Sir, question आएन.
Question आएन? आइरहेछ त हैन?
ए आयो त.
ल भन त. Dividend fx, quotient qx, divisor dx, remainder r. Relation के हुन्छ यिनीहरु? म अलि सजिलो बनाइदिन्छु तिमीलाई यो क्वेशन. fx dividend भनेको छ, divisor dx, quotient qx, and remainder is r. Now tell me the relation between fx, dx, qx, r.
Divisor. dx divided by fx divided by dx.
भन्दै जाऊ. यस्तो भन न एउटा म अर्को अहिले अलि सजिलो बनाइन्छ तिमीलाई अलि सजिलो बनाइन्छ ल. 5 छ 2 ले डिवाइड गर्यो हैन? अझ 5 लाई भन्दा 7 लाई डिवाइड गर्नु न ल. 7 लाई 2 ले डिवाइड गर्दा 2 3 is 6 अनि रिमाइन्डर 1. ल यस्तो बेलामा के भन्छ एन्सर भन त? यस्तो बेलामा 7 इज इक्वल्स टु के हुन्छ? 2 times 3 plus 1 छ नि हैन? यहाँ पनि त्यसै गरी भन्न. इट इज एक्चुअली डिभिजन.
सर आवाजै आएन.
Are you listening me?
Yes, sir.
ल भन त fx जस्तो यहाँ हेर त 7 is equals to 2 times 3 plus 1 हुन्छ नि यसमा डिवाइड गर्दा. यसै गरी यहाँ के हुन्छ fx equals to
fx equals to dx into qx plus r.
dx into qx plus r. Okay, very good. यसलाई यसरी बुझ है त. यो सम्झिने है, कहिलेकाहीँ सोध्छ यसरी. The next question for you is find the inverse of matrix B is equals to 1 0 2 3. Inverse of this matrix B is equals to 1 0 2 3 is given. Just tell me what will be the inverse of this matrix. Otherwise, just tell me the formula of the matrix. Formula matra bhana tala inverse ko.
B inverse equals to 1 by determinant of B into adjoint of B.
1 by determinant of B into adjoint of B. Okay, very good. The next one. What is the formula to calculate slope of the line AX plus BY plus C equals to 0? Formula to calculate slope of the line AX plus BY plus C is equals to 0.
Minus A by B.
Minus A by B. Very good. Okay, the next question for you. Formula to calculate mean deviation from median.
Mean deviation from median. Mean deviation equals to summation F M minus
F
median by
median divided by
N.
Very good. Okay, Srishti, very excellent answer. Thank you, Srishti. You can turn off the video now. Okay, you can turn off the microphone. Okay, let me give the marks to Srishti. Now, let me ask the question to. Okay, Ojasvi Shrestha.
Yes, sir.
Ojasvi, please turn on the video.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you want to choose any set? Or shall I be random? Random. Random. Okay. Just a minute. Let me ask the question from set number 25. Last set was Ojasvi. Okay. The question number 1 is, if f is equals to 1, 2, 2, 3, g is equals to 2b, 3c, find the value of g composite f1. Nothing repeat by question. Tell me what is the value of g composite f1. Repeat the question. Yes, answer. B. B. I think it's correct. Next question. If fx equals to x minus a times qr, f minus a x minus a times qx plus r, and x minus a is a factor of fx, what will be the value of r? Question bujhe? Fx is equals to x minus a times qx plus r, and x minus a is a factor of fx. What will be the value of r? Okay, after Ojasvi, I will ask the question to Divya Bhusal. Divya, be ready. Fx equals to x minus a times qx plus r. X minus a is a factor of fx. What will be the value of r? अलिक गाह्रो भयो क्या तिमीलाई हो? म अलि सजिलो बनाइदियो होला है? के आउँछ तिमीलाई गर्नु?
सर अलि सजिलो.
जस्तो एउटा क्वेशन छ हेर त, 6 इज इक्वल्स टु यस्तो आयो के 2 times 3 प्लस रिमाइन्डर भने मैले हैन. भनेपछि रिमाइन्डर कति हुन्छ त्यति बेला भन त ल? किनभने 2 र 3 त दुईटै फ्याक्टर हो. यहाँ त फ्याक्टर भने हैन, हेर त यो दुईटा मध्ये एउटा चाहिँ फ्याक्टर बनाएको छ यहाँ. एउटा फ्याक्टर भएपछि अर्को नि फ्याक्टर भइहाल्छ, रिमाइन्डर 0 भयो भने त. ल x माइनस a 0 हुन्छ नि हैन. सो बी केयरफुल है. यो क्वेशनले के भनेर त x माइनस a चाहिँ यसको फ्याक्टर हो रे fx को, भनेपछि यसलाई डिभाइड जान्छ यसले. भनेपछि एउटा फ्याक्टर हुँदा बित्तिकै दुईटा मध्ये एउटा फ्याक्टर भयो भने त यो 0 भइहाल्यो रिमाइन्डर है. यो यस्तो क्वेशन हो, यसलाई यसरी बुझ्ने है त. ओके, द नेक्स्ट क्वेशन. If p is equals to 1 3 0 2, q is equals to 1 minus 2 minus 3 5, find the value of pq. Product pq. ल म स्क्रिनमा, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, म यहाँ मल्टिप्लाई गरेको देखिरहेछ होला है. 1 minus 2 minus 3 5. ल फर्स्ट स्टेप एउटा स्टेप भन्दै अनि म तिमीलाई चाहिँ त्यस्तै अनुसार मार्क्स दिन्छु. ल भन त फर्स्टमा के हुन्छ यहाँ मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा
1 into 1
1 into 1
plus 3 into minus 3.
3 into minus 3. Okay, very good. ल योभन्दा अरू चाहिँ गर्न सक्छ होला. Okay, the next question. Condition of parallelism and perpendicularity of the two lines y equals to m1x plus c1 and y equals to m2x plus c2. Tell me the condition in which the two lines will be parallel and perpendicular. There are two lines y is equals to m1x plus c1 and y equals to m2x plus c2. भन त ल यो दुईटा मध्ये चाहिँ parallel र perpendicular हुने condition. Parallel and perpendicular. Do you know?
Sir, confusion.
Confused भयो. Parallel मा m1 is equals to m2, perpendicular मा m1 into m2 is equals to -1 है. सम्झिने ल ओजस्वी?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so the next question for you is formula to calculate coefficient of mean deviation from median. Formula to calculate mean deviation from median.
Mean deviation from summation ft by n.
Question पढ्यौ राम्रोसँग? Coefficient भनेको छ हेर त्यसमा.
Coefficient.
Yeah.
MD from median by mean.
By median or mean?
Mean.
MD. Don't get confused. Read the question carefully. It is MD from median divided by median. Median छ भने त median हुनु पर्यो नि. यहाँ mean भयो पो mean हुन्छ त हैन? Okay, thank you Ojaswi. You answered quite excellently. Practice other questions also है त. Formula राम्रोसँग पढ. अझै मेहनत गरे नि पुग्छ. formula चाहिँ ध्यान दिनु पर्यो है त. Okay, now it's the turn of Divya. Divya, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me in Divya. ल हाम्रो दिव्यालाई क्वेशन्स गरौँ है त अर्का खाँची ल ओके दिव्या do you want to choose any set or shall I ask random set from random set?
Random set.
Random number सोधौँ तिमीलाई चाहिँ ल सेट नम्बर 4 बाट सोध्छु है त. Okay, set 4 for Divya Bhusal. Divya like set 4. Okay, the very first question for you is, okay, if f and g are two functions, then the domain of f composite g is same as which of the function f or g? f composite g मा यो f composite g को domain चाहिँ f को domain हुन्छ कि g को domain हुन्छ?
Sir, if f and g are two functions, sir, g.
G. Okay, let's
yes,
see.
sir.
Now f composite g भन्यो भने चाहिँ पहिला g हुन्छ त्यसपछि f हुन्छ हैन? f composite g, f composite g भनेपछि domain g को. Very good. Okay, the second question for you. If x minus a is a factor of fx, what is the value of f a?
Sir,
If x minus a is a factor of fx, what is the value of fa?
x minus a. Sir, 0.
Very good. Okay, the next question. Find the value of d1 using Cramer's rule for the equations 4x plus 5y is equals to 8 and x plus y is equals to 2. d1 को value कति हुन्छ भन्दा determinant d1 को?
Sir, d1 पहिला गर्छु है sir.
Okay, do it and tell me.
4 1 5 1 8 d1 is equals to 4 into 1 minus 4 into
into 1 minus 5 into 1. Sir, minus 1.
माइनस 1 तिमीले के गर्यो भन त यहाँ के लेख्यौ पहिला यहाँ एलिमेन्ट
Sir, त्यहाँ 4 5 1 1 sir.
4 5 1 1 लेख्यौ त्यो होइन नि त्यो त डी को लागि हो नि नानु त्यो तिमीले चाहिँ डी को लागि गरे है D1 भने
Sir, wait.
read the question carefully. I think you can solve it. ल भन त के गर्छ मात्र भन म तिमीले एन्सर भन्नु पर्दैन
5 sir 5
यहाँ के लेख्छौ यहाँ के लेख्छौ यहाँ दिव्या just tell me what did you write here
4 1 8 2 sir 4
with a constant राख्ने
sir
x को ठाउँमा चाहिँ constant रिप्लेस गर्ने अनि y को ठाउँमा चाहिँ जे छ त्यही राख्ने y को कोएफिसिएन्ट चाहिँ बुझ्यौ दिव्या
ओके सर
D1 मा चाहिँ फर्स्टमा ल्याएर राख्ने कन्स्ट्यान्टलाई D2 मा चाहिँ सेकेन्डमा ल्याएर कन्स्ट्यान्ट राख्ने है त आई होप यु अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड एकचोटि हेर बुझिहाल्छ द सेकेन्ड क्वेसन द फोर्थ क्वेसन फर यु स्टेट मिड पोइन्ट फर्मुला
सर मिड पोइन्ट फर्मुला
या
x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2
relatively easier answer for you okay formula to calculate q1 for continuous data
sir q1 L plus n by 4 minus CF by F into I.
Very good, Divya. Very good. Okay, stay safe. Stay well, stay healthy.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Divya. Okay, thank you, everyone. I think you have next class after this period. Thank you, everyone. Tomorrow, I may take the second class also and conduct online test. So please be ready. Everyone be ready. Okay, your turn will come tomorrow. Thank you, everyone. Take care. Have a great day.
Sir.
Do you have any question? Okay, bye bye. Have a great day. Let me take the attendance also.